Welcome to Car Symptoms Guide, your trusted source for understanding car problems before they become expensive or put your safety at risk. Today we're covering one of the most critical braking issues every driver should know about. Symptoms of a bad brake booster. A failing brake booster can quietly reduce your braking power. These warning signs are often mistaken for master cylinder or check valve problems, but ignoring the real cause can lead to longer stopping distances or even brake failure. Let's break down the most common bad brake booster symptoms, how they affect your braking performance, and when it's time to consider repair or replacement. Brake pedal feels hard to press. One of the earliest and most easily recognized signs of a brake booster is a brake pedal that suddenly feels stiff or difficult to press. Under normal conditions, the brake booster uses engine vacuum to reduce the force needed to slow your vehicle. When brake booster problems arise, that assistance is reduced or lost entirely. As a result, you have to press the pedal harder just to stop. Brake pedal feels higher than usual. If the pedal position feels different, it points to the next symptom. Another common symptom of brake booster failure is a brake pedal that suddenly feels higher than usual. When the booster's vacuum system isn't functioning properly, it can affect pedal height and comfort. You may notice the pedal feels strange under your foot or doesn't respond as usual. This usually indicates a vacuum-related problem, such as a leak or a faulty check valve in the brake booster system. Increased stopping distance. The brake booster doesn't just make braking easier, it also helps apply braking force smoothly and efficiently. When brake booster problems occur, your brakes may still work, but not as effectively. One of the most dangerous symptoms of a bad brake booster is an increase in stopping distance. Your car may take longer to slow down, especially during sudden or emergency braking. At highway speeds, even a small delay can make the difference between stopping safely and causing an accident. A hissing or air leak sound. In many cases, you can actually hear brake booster failure symptoms before you feel them. If you hear a hissing sound when pressing or releasing the brake pedal, it often indicates a vacuum leak. This sound may come from cracked hoses, damaged seals, or internal leaks inside the brake booster. The noise may disappear while braking and return when you release the pedal. Any unusual sound from the braking system should be inspected immediately. The engine stalls when braking. A failing brake booster diaphragm can allow excess air to enter the engine's vacuum system. When this happens, braking can disrupt engine airflow, causing rough idle or even engine stalling. If your car stalls or nearly stalls when you apply the brakes, this is a strong sign of serious brake booster problems. Many drivers ask, can you drive with a bad brake booster? While the vehicle may still move, it is not safe. Continued driving can make the problem worse and in extreme cases, may cause the brake pedal to go to the floor. If you notice any of these bad brake booster symptoms, don't ignore them. This video is for educational purposes only and is not a replacement for a professional inspection. Whether the issue turns out to be the brake booster, the master cylinder, or the check valve, a proper diagnosis is critical. Brake booster repair or replacement costs can vary, but catching the problem early can save you hundreds of dollars and help prevent dangerous brake failure. Any change in brake pedal feel or braking performance should always be taken seriously. Those are the most common symptoms of a bad brake booster you should never ignore. A hard brake pedal, a higher pedal position, hissing sounds, longer stopping distances, or engine stalling are all serious warning signs. Driving with brake booster problems puts your safety at risk. If this video helped you understand bad brake booster symptoms, please give it a like, subscribe to Car Symptoms Guide, and turn on notifications for more clear, real-world explanations of car problems before they get worse. Have you ever experienced any of these symptoms? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and drive safe.